Welcome to the BoldSign API tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create reusable custom fields using BoldSign Java SDK. If you're new to BoldSign, check out our Getting Started videos linked in the description below. I'll show you how to create custom form fields, customize them, and apply them when sending signature requests. Imagine you're an HR manager handling the onboarding process, and you frequently send documents such as onboarding forms to new hires. These forms often include recurring attachment fields, for example, uploads of a national ID or passport. By creating and customizing these fields in advance, you can simply drag and drop them onto any document when sending signature requests. This saves significant time and eliminates the need to recreate or reconfigure the same fields for every onboarding document. Alright, let's jump in, and I'll show you how to do that. Make sure you have Java version 1.8 or higher installed. You can install the BoldSign Java SDK using Maven or Gradle. I'll use Maven for this tutorial. Add this dependency to your project's pom.xml file. Next, run mvnclean, install in your terminal to install the API client library into your local Maven repository. Since I have already installed the Java SDK, I confirm the setup by running this command, which displays the installed version in my project directory. As you can see, the package is installed and ready to go. To create a custom form field, I navigate to the developer documentation, copy the Java code snippet, and paste it into my newly created Java file. Next, I update the code. In the API client, I set my API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app, navigate to the API section, select API key, and generate a new key. The custom field API object initializes the interface that will handle all custom field-related operations through the API. I pass the configured API client to it, which already contains the API key. In the custom form field object, I set the field type to attachment, allowing the signer to upload a document, such as a national ID or passport, while filling out the form. I also mark the field as required, so the signer must upload the file before they can complete the signing process. Next, I configure the attachment information. This includes setting a title, providing a brief description for the signer, and specifying the allowed file formats. In this example, I restrict the accepted file types to PDF and image files only. These settings help guide the signer and ensure they upload the correct type of document. On the custom form field object, I call the setAttachmentInfo method by passing in the configured attachment info, ensuring the field enforces the defined rules. Then, I define the custom field details. I assign the field a name and set the brand ID so the field is linked to the correct brand configuration. To retrieve the brand ID, I navigate to the BoldSign web app, expand the settings menu, and choose branding. I click the context menu and select Use Brand ID to copy it and paste it here. I also enable the shared field property so that everyone in the organization can use this custom field when preparing documents. Then I pass the configured custom form field details to the setFormField method. Once all the configurations are complete, on the custom field API object, I call the createCustomField method by passing the custom field details defined earlier. Finally, I print the custom field ID and the generated confirmation message to the console. I run the application, and the API generates a new custom form field, then prints the created custom field ID along with a confirmation message to the console. You can now use this custom field when creating templates or preparing new documents. Now let me show you how to use these custom fields when creating documents. Assume you have embedded the BoldSign request link inside your application to send documents for signing. After uploading the files and adding the signer details, click the Save and Proceed button to move to the Configure Fields page. On the left panel, you'll see two tabs, Standard Fields and Custom Fields tab. When you click the Custom Fields tab, it displays all the custom fields you previously created. From here, you simply drag and drop the custom field onto the document, just like any other field, and click the Send button to send the document for signature. Just like that, fast and effortless. No more repetitive field creation or customization. Please note that only account administrators can create shared custom fields that are visible to the entire organization. Other users can create custom fields only if the Allow Custom Field Creation property is enabled in the brand settings. Fields created by these users are for personal use only and won't be visible to others in the organization. That's it. You've now learned how to create custom form fields, customize them, and apply them when sending signature requests. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more BoldSign API tutorials. Thank you for watching.